Yes, Rajesh, you can start.
Okay, so good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon, CMD sir, Kaushik sir, and all award winners here present. So here we
Good
have
afternoon.
gathered on a virtual platform now, and in order to felicitate the award winners of national fame. So national fame is something which the award which represents the entire organization as a whole, and we do not categorize it as to a single branch or to a single division. As per our policy of Genius Fame Club, this is a platform where we generally felicitate people for the hard work and for the contribution towards the overall achievement of the organization. And we pick up certain categories of awards in this under the national fame. And let us now call the category under which people have got the award. So the first category of award which represents the Hall of Fame and of course the fame of national proclamation. So the first award is Employee of the Year. Employee of the Year is indeed a very prestigious award every year, and in general every year we do Hall of Fame felicitation separately in a grand manner, where sir physically hands over the prize to the award is. But this year it is not being possible due to the pandemic situation. So the Employee of the Year goes to Mr. Ankush Banerjee and Mr. Bishwarup Bhattacharya. So there are two awardees in this category this year. So let us have a big round of applause for all of them. Congratulations, Ankush Da. Congratulations.
Thank you, Rajesh. Thank you, sir.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Ankush and Biswarup.
Ankush and Vishnu.
Thank you.
So I would like to request Ankush the first, being the senior, to say something about your journey, your achievement, and of course your feeling after winning the award, and then I'll move to Vishnu.
Okay. First of all, I would like to thank sir, all my dear colleagues, national heads. Maybe they are not here, but still I would like to extend my thanks to them for all the cooperation and support. Without this success of mine won't have been possible. I joined in August 2006. It has almost been 14 years. And during this course of 14 years of my journey in Genius, I have always considered Genius as a second home, and all my colleagues as my extended family members. In fact, I have enjoyed a lot of my time during the course of 14 years in Genius. Some of the best moments that I've spent with my life has been with my colleagues in Genius. I've always enjoyed the work environment as well as the total work culture here. Now coming to this award, uh, it has been an absolute matter of pleasure and privilege for me to receive this award and get felicitation for it. Uh, it has been a long wait. The wait has been for 14 years, but it is this long wait, and it is this long wait that make this award even more cherishable and memorable. Coming to, in fact, I would like to extend my thanks to my family members also, whose support and cooperation has always been there, without which this won't have been possible. We have not been in the best of time over the past 6 months. We have none of us were prepared for what we have gone through, but still we have coped up with it. And the recognition of my efforts during these difficult times will motivate me to achieve even to work even harder and give my best to the organization. Let us all stay safe. Let us all stay together to combat this crisis. Let us all stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.
Yeah, very good.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Ankush Da. I would request Vishnu, please say something and share your thoughts with us.
Good afternoon, CMD sir. Good afternoon, Kushika. Congratulations
Thank you,
for
Vishnu.
congratulations, Manish, for winning thankful to entire HR team for organizing the virtual award functions in this mode, because we all know okay, last 3 to 4 months we are in this pandemic situation, and we are working from home. We are working with very less manpower in our office, and challenges are more. But in this pandemic situation, our HR team has done a great job. They felicitate all the members of Genius in virtual mode and send the award to through email. And I am really privileged to winning this category. It's a really prestigious category. I spent my 10 years time and other awards, but it's a really I wish that I one day I will win this category of award. But this is the day when Rajesh announced my name. I really shocked that I am the privileged owner. I am privileged winner of this category. So it's really privileged for me. And I looking in future in my future in my Genius. I want to do some good technical things in Genius, new technology. I want to implement some new technology. Already we have explored so many things, and I believe with the help of our respective CMD sir, with the help of my seniors like Shukanto sir, Swarnendu sir, who always give chance, who always give chance to learn, who always give chance to implement such a new things, such a wonderful technical things to me. So I believe in future I will definitely come forward and implement other new technological things in Genius, which help Genius to grow in future. Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Vishwaroop. This year we are missing the family members very much, because every year uh, we we uh, we get a chance to call our family member here and get the awards handed over to the awardees in front of them. That is a very prestigious thing to happen, because it is because of the support of the family members that we achieve the new heights every day in our work life. So please convey all our regards to them also, because their contribution is nevertheless, and it is because of them that we all are doing good at our work life. So,
Exactly. True.
so let me move on to the next category of award. So the next category of award is the best location head of the year, and this year none other than Mr. Manish Kumar from Delhi. So let's have a big round of applause for Manish sir.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Manish sir.
Thank you, Rachi. So now at least I can also show my award to all of you. This is the trophy which I have got. So so before I start, I will show my trophy. And yeah, so good afternoon, sir. And good afternoon, Kaushik Da, and all the winners.
Good afternoon.
It is such an honor to get felicitated under Hall of Fame. This year award of Location Head of the Year really special. This actually, sir, reinforced the belief in me that the proactive approach, adherence to the people, process, technology, and overall perseverance always pays in the long run. Actually, it gives me immense pleasure, sir, satisfaction that during my first 4 years of Genius, while I was in Genius Mumbai, actually FS's business grew almost by 3x, 3 times. From associate count of around 6,000, there was a time when we reached 17,000. And from a revenue of 10 crore per month, we actually grew to 29 crore per month, So now, when I look back that, from my transition from Mumbai to Delhi, so I'm really very thankful to sir that when this crisis came in Delhi, actually he showed that confidence in me and he chose me to take the baton head on. But to be very honest, sir, let me confess, something that for me, leaving a stable Mumbai FSS business and taking charge of Genius Delhi was actually a very unsettling thought, because we all always wanted to work in our own cushy environment. The thing which we have already built is always good to sail, over that. So, for a moment, that was certainly a very unsettling thought, knowing that, what exactly is going in Delhi, but I excited, because I thought that if, sir has thought about me, to take the baton, that must be, I should take it as a challenge. And that's how, I came to Delhi, as a location head. And so we all know that, situation of Delhi was extremely critical at that time. But I always remember some of the mantras which you always tell to us during, most of your deliberations, your backs, your other, ARMs, that we actually need to focus on our people, our process, procedure, technology, and overall, we need to work with our utmost passion. That's the thing, sir, which actually I, followed sacrosanctly when I came to Delhi. And today, I can very confidently tell that even against all the odds, we are one of the most stable branch with hardly any escalations going on to any national heads or to even you, sir. And trust me, the kind of team which has been built now, the kind of confidence they have in me and overall Genius management of Kolkata, we are certainly, here. I mean, for us now, the next path is to again go to 2x, 3x in the times to come. And I am up for it, sir. And thank you so much for all this accolade, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Manish sir. Indeed, we have seen the change and the difference from the Delhi branch, and it is very much appreciable the way we are responding to all, in fact, the employee engagement programs and anything that we mail you across. The response is immediate. So thank you so much for being so prompt and helping the HR team to, perform the our work at ease. So thank you. Moving on to the next category and the last category today. It is the Best National Head of the Year, a very prestigious award. And I take all the proud feeling within me saying that it is our very own national head, Mr. Kaushik Majumdar from HRLCC. Congratulations, sir. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Kaushik, sir, I would request you to say something about the entire journey.
Yes. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, Rajeshi, Manish, Vishwaroop, and Ankush. At first, let me congratulate Manish for being the best location head for 1920. Employee of the Year, Ankush and Vishwaroop, all my best wishes to you.
Thank you.
Thanks, sir, for identifying me as the National Head of the Year 1920. In fact, I have already spoken about the last year journey during the annual awards ceremony. So I will not be speaking on that. Rather, I would like to stress upon the fact that the first and foremost thing, which rightly Rajeshi has pointed out that we are missing on today's event, is that the non-availability of the family members. I would rather say that this is one of the most unique feature of Genius. In fact, I have rarely found such kind of an initiative which Genius has taken in terms of Hall of Fame event, felicitating the award winners again, along with the family members. And I would say hats off to you, sir, because you have thought of the idea, and this makes a company unique. And this I must acknowledge the fact that that is the reason why the ratio of stay of the senior members of the organization in Genius is so high. It is amongst the best in the industry, I would say. Now, let me just tell you the major factors why a company becomes successful, which I feel and I actually firmly believe in that. There are three factors. One factor is with regard to, I would say, the employer perspective. Second is with regard to employee perspective. and third is with regard to the company policies and the business policies. Employee perspective, I would say we were lucky that the company, the founder of the company had the bigger thoughts, long-term thoughts, professional thoughts. He had the leadership qualities to drive the entire proceedings, operations across pan India throughout these many years for 28 years. This is one of the most important thing that any a company would require in order to sustain in the market. As we all know that it's so very difficult to sustain in the market, and that too at this current juncture it is much more difficult. Now this is one of the most positive and the important factor. Sir had the vision, sir had the leadership, sir had the financial acumen. That's the reason why company is still so strong, and it is, I'm talking from the core of my heart, this is nothing exaggeration. Second point is with regard to the employees. I would say the employees who have been working in the organization, and those who have worked for more than 5 years, 10 years, 15 years with the organization, company is lucky that to have such good employees within the organization. And that makes the company successful again. So if you have a good leadership, if you have a good entrepreneur, a good employee, and parallelly bonded with a robust HR policy and the business policy, and that bonds the entire two factors, the entrepreneur factor and the employee factor, that makes the company big and long term. And I am sure, I'm 100% confident that our business policies as well as the HR policies are amongst one of the best in the industry. And this is what I thought I should share with you, and that's the reason why Genius is Genius. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. And congratulations to all the winners once again. Now I would request our CMD sir to say something about all the winners. And
so first of all, heartiest congratulations Ankush Mishra for Employee of the Year award. Manish for the Location Head Award for you, Manish, and for the National Head Award, Kaushik. It's a great achievement because the last year was a turbulent year for the Genius. We had a lot of turbulence in the company, and in spite of the turbulence, achieving this kind of feat, particularly for Manish, where he came to Delhi and so much of issues and difficulties were there. So hats off, and very good exemplary job done by all of you. If I say briefly about all of you, Ankush, who has been working with me closely, I am yet to see such a sincere, hardworking, and committed person in my life. Because he's very close to me. Although people talks about ED, but virtually he does 60-70% of my work which I do in the company, and he keeps me free to manage the people and provide the guidelines and the visualizations and the roadmap to the company. So, and I've hardly seen him taking leave, LA or early departure. How he manages his family is a magic. So, all the best to you, Ankush. You have done very well.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Swaroop, I know him for quite some time when he joined, and then he got married, and then some issues, and then finally good family now. And when he joined, we didn't have so many systems. Now that so many systems are there, he has put up his weight also by this time. But Biswaroop, very smiling, very popular in the company. Technologically, we hardly have hiccup in, and all credit goes to him that sitting in the Calcutta, he ensures that all the branches has a smooth technical availability in terms of the hardware or the software or the networking or any glitches, any issues comes with regard to technology, repair, maintenance, replacement, all he does very smoothly. And he's very popular. And I look forward such from you, Mr. So I wish you all the best to you. Please give a big hand to Mr.
Thank you, sir.
Manish, I met him in a couple of the conference and as usually, normally I don't pick up the people at the leadership position for the company, but somehow he struck with me, and then such situation came in Bombay, and we got him. So initially there was a mismatch of culture, the culture which Genius had and the culture from he came. There was definitely a mismatch. A lot of counseling went with me, with YP, with Cossack, and finally he came into the groove of the culture of Genius. And once he came, we never looked back. He worked like a tiger. He moved like a tiger in Mumbai, and he's built Mumbai a big branch, and so many. Rolling over HUL was not easy. It was very, very difficult task. But he really rolled over very well. Nivea, he managed very well. Some of the clients came, and then a good team we had. And finally, when the time came for Delhi, because I knew he has a house in Delhi, which has taken a flight, which is rented, and he's a man from Delhi. And anyway, any person would like to come back to his place where he belongs ultimately. And everybody's aspirations are there. The family aspirations are also like that. So finally, this came. I called him, and he agreed, and it was a difficult time because Delhi had a lot of difficulties, issues and problems with clients, with vendors, among the employee itself, with the technology, with the process and procedure. But you managed very well, Manish, and ultimately you have been the winner, and so I wish you all the best, Manish. You keep on doing well.
Thank you, sir.
Kosik, please give a big hand to Manish. Kosik is known for quite some time. When he joined, he was from HR, but I took him in the operation. But I promised him that when we'll have 50 people in the company, and that time I think we had about 20, 22 people, we will open HR division. But before 50, we opened the HR division, and he became. But let me tell you, the entire HR. I have so many people HR known in the fraternity, but. Among them, he is one of the best, in my opinion, because he understands the human psychology. He understands the culture of an organization. He understands the financials of the company. He understands the environment, outside environment, which is the legal environment where we all are supposed to work in that frame, because we cannot go out of that frame to work, So he fits all those 4 or 5 things, He looks at the company, he looks at me, he looks at the processes, he looks at the employees, he looks at the legal frame, and within that he fits, It cannot be described, but that's the best description I gave. Somehow he knows that very well. So therefore, whenever he comes with any propositions to me, chances are that 90% or 99%, I will say yes, because he does not come illogically. He will do his lot of groundwork, and he comes to me, and that makes him a real winner. And there was a hidden thing also in him, was the business acumen. So when the position for FMS, security and training came, and HRMS, I gave him, and all the products are doing well at the moment in the company. So good, Kosik. I wish you all the best, and you continue to do well in life. Please give a big hand to him also.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
I definitely miss today all of your family. I wish your family was here. I would have talked. I would have seen your children, because all of you are married. Your wife, maybe mother. I'm missing them. This is the first time in the Hall of Fame the family is not there. Let me also tell you, see, all of you, including Rajsri, see what we want in life. We want a consistent progress in life. Now, when I say consistent progress means, see, we should have a family, the family have a child, have a mother and father. You should have a house, you should have a conveyance, bike or car. Your child should go to the school. and the life should run smoothly without hiccup, no turbulence should come in. See, like in Genius, I have tried my best, and I'm one of the largest practitioner of this, that life should be smooth rather than showy, that I have a 6 car or I have a 6 flat or I have so much of money, because ultimately those does not work, in life. I mean, there are many examples. You have Ambani's younger brother, you have Mr. Bayani, you have Mr. Malia, the people who ran away from the country. There are many examples are there. So money, I don't think money is definitely a media to live and to enjoy the life. But we should not work for the money. We should work so that money comes through and money becomes useful to us. So I have tried my best, to bring a culture in the company or bring a culture in the ecosystem of Genius by which your life, your family, and your entire ecosystem should be progressive with the peace and with the happiness, So therefore in Genius, although all of you will find that we have so much of activity going on, so many calls, seminar, conferences, con call, discussions, back happens, But those are, progressive and typically time-oriented involvement, But it does not give you unnecessary stress when you go back to the home. It does not give you the political situation in a company. It does not give you a situation where company can close any point of time. And I have also ensured that, the company is in your hand, not in my hand. So each person is a owner of a particular component, like Manish, if he wants his life till his retirement to be happy, he can make by making Delhi well. He doesn't need to go anywhere. He doesn't need to do much anything because he has already got a house, a car, a family, and reasonably good salary to take care of him. So to make it progressive, it is only up to him, So is the Kaushik and so is the Biswarup and so is the Rajsi or Ankush, each one of you, So that is how the culture I have built, So I hope this culture you will carry on, all of you, and you will make a better life. I emphasize on a better life rather than having a lot of money. In fact, in most of my earlier seminar conferences, there was hardly much discussion on the profit. But profit discussion has come now because if you want to go for IPO of Genius, which we missed one bus, then profit has to be there, because ultimately the other stakeholder would like to see the profit also. Correct. So these are the few things I wanted to tell all of you, and I'm sure all of you are going to do well in life. And thank you for becoming part of Hall of Fame. Your name will be embossed in Genius in Hall of Fame, and continue to do well in life. And wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
So we have to, we have to make it over because I have to start in ISF. There's another webinar there.
Correct, sir.
Sure.
Yes, yes.
All the best. Enjoy the life. The trophy, the gift, all some has gone to you and some will come to you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sure.
Yes,
Thank you, sir.
so much.
Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Thank you, Kaushikda. Thank you, Rajshi.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ankush.
Thank you everyone for joining in.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye. Bye.